going to attempt to do this sober.
You're not sober.
Oh no, Phil, no. I didn't fail.
Yay, you did it! Hooray!
Yay!
Hey,
So everybody, we're down in Rutney. Yeah, fuck off. So we're down. Wait, check this out. Fixing itself. I'll help a little bit.
get a whiskey over here.
We're getting there. See, we're trying to.
Punk failing.
Whiskey, thing.
Yeah, look. It cleans up after itself. Oh my God.
Hasn't failed more.
That was bad. I got splashed here. The jokes got splashed.
So it didn't.
Oh no! The camera's wet. I can't hear anything anymore. Oh shit! We don't want that to happen again. No, wait. Everything's all right. Yeah, cool. Yay.
Are you sure Rob didn't come on the camera?
No, Rob's busy coming on his cell phone. It's fine. Oh dear. See, we got a failed thing. We got to throw it out. See, I don't do shit like this. Other people have been in my bar, and that's what happens. So, the gang's all here! Sam needs whiskey. Hold the camera. Bottles do not come with this label any longer.
Yeah.
This is called the Sin Tax, S-I-N, not S-Y-N-T-A-X. It's the S-I-N space T-A-X.
Syntax?
It was on beer, liquor, cigarettes, and firearms back in the day, up until Reaganomics, I guess. But we don't have that much left. Kudos to Rob. Oh, it's got fuzziness on it. Cool.
76.
78.
Close enough.
This is a good
Oh wait, I
fucking
can do
whiskey.
that. You lost that privilege, I'm
It
sorry.
says imported. Where's it imported from?
Canada!
Canada.
Canada land.
How can you import something from Canada when you don't get it from a port? Canada doesn't have any ports. They don't have any.
Matt is jerking off Joven right now with the switch to turn on and off the fog machine.
It turns on and off the vibrator in your pants.
Turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, we're frigged over in Rutney on the 907. Oh, no.